In this video, I'll be showing you how to get voice chat on Roblox Mobile 2025 without ID. Start by opening the Roblox app and select More from the bottom. Scroll down and open the settings. Select Account Info, then wait for the page to load. Find the phone number option, then tap on the Add Phone button. Tap on the number box on the left to open the menu, then select your location. This is the area code for your phone number, so you must set this correctly. Tap on the phone number box and input your phone number. Tap Continue when done. A verification code will now be sent to your phone. However, sometimes you may need to verify with your email first to get a code sent to your phone. Enter the code into the provided box to verify. Choose if you want to let friends find you using your phone number. I'll be selecting No, then tap on the Done button. It should now say that your phone number is verified. To get voice chat using your phone number, you will need to be located in a supported country. Some supported countries are the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Great Britain, and many more. All the currently supported countries are on screen now. However, other countries are constantly being added. You will also need to be at least 13 plus to get voice chat. If you don't live in a supported country, then you will need to use ID to get voice chat. Head up and tap on the cross to close, then select Privacy and Content Maturity. Select Communication, then Voice Chat. Turn on the Enable Microphone option and your settings will be changed. Tap on the back button twice to get back to this page, then select Content Maturity. Move the slider to moderate if it isn't already, then tap on the cross to close. You will now have voice chat on Roblox Mobile. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.